What do you think of the new kit? I, for one, am loving it. And all I used is this. The Jeep Overlanding Kit by Rhino-Rack. With the Jeep Overlanding Kit, it's very simple and can be installed in as little as 45 minutes. Now, the first step is to connect the right-hand and left-hand corner bases to the front-rear extrusions. Once done, connect the side extrusions. Now that each corner is secure, we can add the planks. Now you can see it's really starting to take shape. Now all we need to do is add the backbone. Simply line up each backbone along the side extrusions and then turn the newly constructed Pioneer LT right side up. Now when you're ready, ask a friend to help you lift the Pioneer LT to the vehicle. And lastly, add the backbone bolts to the top and then tighten the end bolts as previously installed. And there you have it. Your Jeep Overlanding Kit is fully assembled and ready for use.